don't know the word.
Yes, you do. You can sound it out. You did great.
Matt, sat, and Sam. Sam and Matt.
Sound it out.
Sat.
Say it all together.
Sat.
Good job.
Matt, sat, and Matt,
No, sound it out. What's this by itself?
and
And what if you add this letter?
at
No.
Sam. Sam and this is sat.
Good job.
And this is Matt sat on sat.
No. Sound it out. What's this by itself?
And
Sam.
this is Sam. Sam and Matt
Sam. What's this by itself?
sat
That's right.
on Matt.
Good job.
And then sat,
Nope, start here.
sat,
No.
no, Matt sat Sam and no, and Sam.
No. Sound it out.
I don't know
What's this say without?
At.
Good job. Can you say that sentence again?
Sat.
Yeah, start here.
Sat.
No.
Sam. Sat.
Good job. And over here.
The and.
Yay! You read it all by yourself. Good job, Maddie.
I did it.
Yes, you did.